Well, how y'all doing out there in YouTube land? Well, looks like I done screwed the pooch this time. Sister Cowgirl wants me to build her an arbor. I ain't never done such a thing. I'm gonna give it a shot though. But then she threw something else in there, and I'm really freaking out over this one. She told me that she wanted some of them nice curved edges up at the top there, like that Mexican cut that's real pretty. Well, I said, yeah, I'll do it. But I ain't never done nothing like that. So I got to thinking, how in the heck am I gonna cut a curved arch? I don't know how to do nothing like that. Well, then I got to thinking, looked around, saw one of my PVC pipes there, and I got an idea. So I want y'all to look at what I'm gonna do here. First of all, see, I got the PVC, I got the wood. This is gonna be my PVC pipe right here. I'm thinking, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I figure if I take this PVC and screw a hole right here, and screw it in the corner right there, then take another hole, screw it over here, and another one right down here. I can take that thing and I can bend it right here and kind of give it a little push up in the middle there, Maybe I can make a curve. Take the old pencil over here and trace that PVC and cut her out. So y'all wish me luck. I'm going to give it a shot. Right now I'm going to go drill my holes.